The little boy out learning to ride his bike. Well, he's riding his bike and his mother is hollering instructions at him. So if you hear that in the background, that's what's going on. Before you know it, he'll be out and about by himself riding his bike alone or with friends or family, cousins. I think my parents were outside with me, well, my mother, for the first week or so. Once I learned how to ride that bike, they went back on the porch and eventually in the house. We were limited to the big tree in just about the middle of our first block, so that was our cutoff or our turnaround point, which was like about, I'd say, 4 houses down, so it wasn't that far. Okay, so we've got the yellow ochre undertone. Okay, so now I'm going to put a dark rim around the corner of the table. Got a few minutes here. That's a very dark green. That represents the rim of the table. Let's see, I'm going to take it down some and bring the other side up. This is the chair on the opposite side.